Good morning, everybody. And yes, it actually is morning for me. And if I'm lucky, I'll get this uploaded very early today. What I'm doing today, and let me check here and make sure you can see what I'm doing. Yep, sorry about that. I am making Texas Roadhouse Butter. It's a copycat recipe. And in here, I have 2 sticks of butter. They weren't real soft, so I went ahead and beat it up. And to that, I'm going to add 1 cup of powdered sugar, or some people call it a 10x sugar. And I actually sifted this to make it easier to stir in. And I'm going to add 1 cup of honey. Now what I did, I sprayed the measuring cup with cooking spray. And they said it's supposed to get the honey out of there easier. I don't know. This honey I got at the Amish market. I guess it did come out pretty good. And to that, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. I've already got it pre-measured here. So I'm going to beat this up. Now, so you won't have to listen to all this noise, I'm going to put you on pause, and I'll bring you back in just a minute when I get it all mixed up. Okay, I have got this all beat up, and it looks really, really good. So I'm going to put these in these containers and put them in the refrigerator. And they said that it lasts about a month in the refrigerator, and if you freeze it, that it will last 6 months. I've only been to Texas Roadhouse once in my life. And I think it was last summer that Catherine took me. I think it was for my birthday. I don't remember. I think it's what it was. But like I said, I've only been there once, but I absolutely love this butter. So what I thought I would do is keep one and give one to my fella for his Christmas dinner. Or I might will take one out to Catherine. I don't know. Maybe that's what I'll do. I don't know. But now I've got enough here to try one out on a biscuit. These are not hot. I just got them out of the oven a few minutes ago. But it's enough for me to taste. So good. I will put the recipe down in the description, and I hope you give it a try. So I got to get out of here. I got to go over and help my brother put together some kind of a little greenhouse. I don't know what he's up to, but he needs my help because he's still in a sling They've got his arm still wrapped up. And it's still got that brace on it. So there's not a whole lot that he can do. But I got to go over and help him. So I will talk to y'all later. Y'all take care. Stay safe and stay healthy. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.